A new season brought new beginnings.
We hope to work hard and bring new things to the club.
New arrivals. New expectations. And a new plan. As thoughts and prayers kept us all grounded, the reality of the championship dawned. Had we been written off before a ball had been kicked?
It's going to be a real test for Wolves. I mean, going to Millwall on a Tuesday night, games such as that every Saturday, Tuesday, it's a real eye-opener.
It's been called the toughest league in the world, and many wouldn't disagree.
Oh, intercepted! Here's Bonatini! Bonatini!
With a brand of football not witnessed in these parts for many years, would the flair and imagination stand up against the grind of the old guard?
Mendez-Zhang into the penalty area, Mendez-Zhang to score. Oh no!
There were signs that this sleeping giant was headed for the promised land.
He's going to shoot! Oh! Oh, goodness me! Pulling back to Doherty, squares it for Bonatini! Leo Bonatini makes it 4!
And with hope echoing around the stands, was the city starting to believe? Derby Day. The bragging rights on the line, but this time it was about so much more. A stepping stone to something much greater.
Comes through to Jota though. Jota on his left back! Diogo Jota! Deadlock broken on Derby Day in the Midlands. Jota might just go it alone. Oh, it's brilliant from Jota. Across comes the challenge. Bonatini! Oh!
Satisfying, electrifying. Wolves were flying. But the games were starting to come thick and fast.
It's in! Wolves get the breakthrough! Couple of short steps. Strikes it low, beats the goalkeeper!
Put the boys stuck in. It's another win on the board and a win in the right direction.
With the inevitable